Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. So today we are working on this smashed car off of Copart. This is a Lincoln and this thing is super nice, but as you can see, it got hit in the front here and it's got some crazy frame damage that I'm going to go over with you guys. But before we start on anything, I want to go ahead and change out this hood while I have help here at the shop. So we're going to remove this hood, put the new one on. That way I can just work on it by myself on the frame and I won't need no help and I won't damage nothing trying to get the hood on myself. So we're gonna swap that out real quick and then we'll get into what we need to do on it, get it on the frame and get it strapped down. So let's get started. All right, so check it out. We got the car on the frame. I got the hood lined up. The gap here is awesome, but as you can see, it gets small here. That's because we have some side sway here. This thing was smacked this way and it just completely bent this off to the side. So we're gonna have to pull it back out this way. And then also on this side, the apron was also pushed down in that way. So we're gonna have to pull it up and out. So we'll start with that right there. We'll pull this frame rail over to the side. Honestly, I don't even think the frame rail moved. I think it was mostly just this. It's not really a hard hit, so we'll pull on this, get it good, and then once we get this gap right here built, we'll move on to that side and do that side too. So let's go ahead and get started and we'll get this gap good, and then I'm gonna start test fitting the fender and see where that apron needs to go, and from there we'll try and get this entire front end lined up. All right, guys, check it out. The Lincoln Continental is back from paint. And look at these front end gaps, looking beautiful, lined up super nicely all the way back. So super happy with how this turned out. And also, if you look over here, it's looking beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the next thing, which is getting this entire front end assembled. We have the old headlights here and we have the new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and swap over the modules just to be safe. All the part numbers are the same, but just in case it does need programming and whatnot, we'll put them onto here just so we don't have any issues. And then I'll get the headlights installed, and from there we can go ahead and get the bumper on. I already went ahead and built it, got it looking beautiful as you can see. So we'll get that on too. And I can't wait to see this entire front end lined up, looking awesome. And then from there, we can button up everything underneath. That's why I got it up on the jack stands. And also, we do need to put the side skirts on. So we're gonna go ahead and get started up front here and start knocking this out. Okay guys, we got both headlights in. The modules were pretty simple to remove and replace. You just unbolt them, plug in the new ones, and we tested it. They work awesome. So next we're gonna go ahead and get this bumper on right here. Hopefully we can get it to fit real nicely and there's no issues. And from there, this process is just gonna get easier and easier. We'll button it all up and then this thing will finally be done. All right, guys, so there you have it. This thing is done. I went ahead and buttoned up underneath, and everything on the exterior is all put together, besides this one rocker right here, because a couple of the clips are broken and we don't have them, so we need to order those. But other than that, this Copart build is completely done, and I'm super happy with all of these results. And it's pretty crazy because this thing barely looked hit at all in the pictures, but it required some extensive work to get it done. And it just goes to show that you can never be too sure off of pictures. But check out that paintwork, guys. Beautiful. It's a little dusty, and I kind of put some surface scratches in it, putting it all together, but we're gonna give it one final polish and then it's gonna be done. And this thing's gonna be absolutely perfect when it's done. I'm super happy with these results. And I gotta say, man, these things look so good. I love this front end. I can't wait to get it all cleaned up and see what it looks like, nice and shiny and outside. We might need a new battery because the battery keeps dying on this thing. But other than that, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that frame job and getting this thing rebuilt. Stay tuned, guys. Quick little M3 update. I'm currently doing the brake system and I'm almost done with the brake system. And then we got to bleed the clutch, and then that's it. This thing's gonna be going for the first drive. Brake lights work, turn signals, all that stuff. If you missed that video, be sure to check that out. We finished up the wiring on this thing. There is still a couple things like the radio, the power windows and the power door locks, stuff like that. But that stuff we're not really worried about right now. For now, I want to go ahead and get it ready for that first drive. This thing runs amazing. It's just beautiful. Everything's going really well with it. If you guys want to stay tuned, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates on it. Very, very soon, this thing's going to be driving, and most definitely in the next episode on it. So be on the lookout for that. Thanks for all the love and support. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. You can also follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. Thanks for all the love and support, guys, and I'll see you later. Peace.